Come. I get tomatoes. Come. I get pepper. Which one you want? Which one you want? Okay, tomatoes.
How much is it?
Check this one, 5. This one 5,000. This one is 4,500 and this one is 2,500. Which one you want?
What? What did you say? How much is
5,000.
this? Not
5,000.
all of it, one?
Yes, 5,000.
Solanum lupercium, 5,000? I mean, is the farm acreage part of the recession? I guess not. Why are you people oblivious to the microscopium that the Almighty God blessed us, humanity and mankind with? Why? You people just inflate the prices all over the market. Everything is so high up. You're taking advantage of the situation, of the recession. Okay, young lady, tell me the real price. Like the real price.
Madam, I don't tell you how much I say. I don't know why they speak big grammar. I don't understand though. I don't tell you the price. I beg.
Okay, I'll give you 200 now. Just package this.
For waiting.
I don't understand. This is just, for the Solanum lupercium.
Waiting be Sarcosu lacoboti.
It's tomatoes.
Madam, this one 5,000. This
What?
one 4,500.
That's
this
ridiculous.
one 2,500.
Stop saying that, girl. You're not going to sell 200?
I know, sir.
Okay, 500. Let me top it up a little.
Madam Waka.
I don't understand. I don't get it. You're so rude. Does it mean that you don't understand that the economy is bad? The sources of income is not even available. Where are we going to get the money to afford 5,000 for this? 500 naira should be able to meet up with it. This is a natural microscope God gave us.
I don't want bank market.
Madam, you're being outrageous. You're being greedy.
I beg you.
This is greed. How can you say this is 5,000?
I'm not
I
selling.
don't understand what's wrong with this country. You people just inflate price as just how you want it.
Bank market. God.
What is this?
Madam, I know they sell.
This is
Go.
unconstitutional.
Go. I know they sell. Go. Waka.
Come on, Solanum lupercium. That is what you're telling me to buy for 5,000?
So,
Oh, let me give you 1,000. That's all I have here, please.
I know, sir. Go.
Oh, you've got such attitude. I can't.
Yeah, no problem.
Please, I need to go somewhere else. Where
Go,
else can I
go,
get
go.
tomatoes?
When they carry bad luck come my shop. I don't want somebody like you.
Rosemary. Come. Mr. Chimezie has the bill for all these food that is on this ride. They will be coming this evening to carry it. You know Mr. Chimezie?
Yes, sir.
And once Mr. Chimezie come, tell Mr. Chimezie to... No, don't worry. He has already paid to me. He has paid to me. So if Mr. Chimezie come, they will come with a lot and carry this line, all this wood. Oh? You can go. Go back to the shop. Go back to the shop. So you go to your shop. What is it? Luz.
Okay.
I will not be staying in the shop today.
But why?
I like it, but why? You know, I said to my wife to the university to go and study Eco.
Yes,
So finally, she will be coming back today.
Oh.
So I want to surprise her with 1 or 2 goodies. So I will not be staying in the shop today.
Okay.
Meanwhile, if you close for the shop today, bring all the money that you sell, cash. Actually, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Bring all of them to the house.
Okay.
I don't need the POS. I don't need the transfer.
Many. Enough cash. All right.
Okay. Have you eaten?
No, I'm okay, okay.
You cannot be okay.
I eat from home.
But I will still send you money to give you
Okay.
so that we will celebrate with today.
Okay.
Because my wife is coming.
Okay, sir.
Don't fail to bring your Umuego.
Of course.
I know you will make a lot of ahead today. Oh yeah now. What now? I'm expecting to see you with cash. Big cash. Thank you. Oh, okay.
This my oga I love Anyways, but love is good, Sha. Me I love oh.
Tie that thing very well, let it be still long. After tying it, you'll be blowing balloon and be scattering it everywhere. Oh? So that when my wife, Salafina, enter, everywhere will be balloonicious. Blow it to.
You're not doing it well.
Oh, yeah, now I'm on a wobble. Tie it very well. Hey, no worry. Very soon, Salafina, my wife, will come. See, welcome home, Salafina. See her now. See her picture. See my home.
Sachets of condensed milk. Do you have that? I want some powdered chocolate. I want packs of biscuits. Do you have that? Cubes of sugar. I don't want powdered. That's not pure sugar, you know. Yeah. So and finally, do you have Triticum Activum?
I don't know what you are talking about. So if you are talking about bread, I have bread. 1,500.
What? What did you say? Is how much?
1,500.
This common bantam Triticum Activum is 1,500.
Madam, give me this like you are not serious.
Are you taking the bread out of my hands?
Madam,
That's rude. You don't do that to your customers, okay? Customers are always right. You know what? You are just an embellished illiterate, okay? And I'm not going to exchange words with you. You can't even cognize what I'm trying to emphasize. You know, that's the problem. You cannot break it down to your own comprehension. Do you have something bigger than that?
Yeah, I have this one.
let's have it.
3,000, this one.
What's the weigh? What does it weigh? How many kilometers compared to the amount you're bringing on?
Now you said that one, no. I don't know for that one.
I don't blame you. You're stuck illiterate. You don't know what I'm talking about. Package it. There's so many illiterates in town. You need to take them for some grammar school. You're taking my money, but you don't know my English. That's a crime in economics.
Is she not Serafina? Kinsley's wife, my friend. Or am I mistaking her for someone else?
Stop! What is wrong with you? Stop it! What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Touch me? Oh my God, girl! Do you know how much it costs to procure the chemist? As immaculate as it looks, do you know the odors of the opulence? Did I do anything wrong? Oh, you did an archilada wrong, girl. A whole lot of it. Okay? Even though I do not blame you, okay? I understand that you're stuck in this hamlet, shithole, where you've been deprived of quality education and knowledge. Oh yeah, but then I expect that common sense should tell you that when you see a woman gabbed like me, with steeze and composure, that you should maintain some level of social distancing, girl. Okay? Don't do this again.
Same.
You know, I do not regret marrying you. Even though I know that you're uneducated, stuck illiterate. But you know, I espouse you nevertheless because I perceive that not just, you know, the exquisiteness of your personality, you know what I'm talking about. In a layman's language, it's called handsomeness. Also because that you have common sense. I mean, you reason well compared to your counterparts, you know. So, I understand that your family find it difficult to understand a personality like mine. But you know, it is not easy to attend the prestigious University of Nigeria in Nsukka and studying a very outstanding course, economics. It is quite, you know,
So you studied Eco in Nsukka?
Oh my God. How come you don't even know what I'm studying?
My darling. You know, the very first day.
It's not darling. It's not R, it's L. So you say darling.
Darling. You know that the very first day we jam ourselves, I knew that we are destination to be together.
Love is not destination, it's destined.
Consider destiny for here. Okay, destiny.
Let's go inside.
You're welcome, Serafina. You look very beautiful.
Really?
Wow.
Nice. Taking care of me.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Eh,
Thank you, John. You know
Emily.
John has been a very close buddy of yours and
Welcome,
very
no?
loyal.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you.
Everybody, let us all go inside
Let's
and
go.
merriment.
Hold on. Damsel, there's my stuff is in the trunk. Please get it. Oh, baby, that's how we call young ladies from over there. I didn't expect you to know.
Damsel Chidera.
Damsel.
Damsel Chidera. Let us go inside and do some
your
tacos.
English is so terrible. You need to work
When
on
you
it.
hate English, yeah, make up the maintain.
All right.
Okay then. Excuse me, that's my love. What is it? Eh? I was about telling you, excuse me, that's.
Get your monkey hands off me. You look nauseating. I mean, you disgust me, Kinsley. I want to have a word with you. Follow me. Now.
What's long?
Kinsley,
You
now.
did what I did.
One day, go to her. Maybe she needs you in the other room.
Kinsley, I want to have a word with you. Why are you exaggerating college? Like it's nothing. Why? And don't tell me it's nothing because I can almost guess from my heart how much the drinks and the food is worth.
All this super that you are speaking, I don't understand anything. But if you will, in fact, let me tell you, all these things that I bought here, I did it because of you. I did it just to celebrate you.
I didn't ask for it. Okay? I never even asked for something like that. What kind of luxurious extravagant spending in the name of celebration that brings temporal joy?
Luxurious boss is not here. But graduate, my graduate wife, what did you want? Can you hit you?
I don't want anything.
How?
Okay? Just leave me alone. I need to think.
You don't want me to throw welcome party for you?
On a second thought, go out there and tell all of them to leave.
Maka, why?
Tell them to leave because I just want the whole place to be tranquil without clutter.
Hey, Onyekwa, tranquil. See, who do you want me to tell to leave?
Everyone.
Everyone. My sister that is staying with me, or Johnny that is my best friend.
Tell your sister to go to her room and let your friend leave. I just want the whole place to be tranquil without anyone clattering.
Then who will eat all the food, the meat and everything? Who will eat it?
We'll refrigerate it and eat it bit by bit. I mean, that's the point. You spend too much for a night.
I don't think that I can do it. It is too much for me. How can I tell John, my friend?
Do you want me to do it? Do you want me to help you?
Help me?
Mm-hmm.
Chop on them, madam.
Whatever. Do you
Okay,
want
say
help?
that.
Do you want help?
I want to help, but don't push me.
But do you want me to help you, though?
Help me in a good way. In a good way.
Is it help or what?
Help in a good way.
Can I help you?
Help in a good way.
I understand that you can be able to achieve it. I'm going to do it. I'll help you.
Let it be in a good way.
I will help you. So, there is a state of emergency economically, okay? The economy has gone high up The inflation has hit 98%. And that is statistically. Okay. So here is some biscuits. Very nice, creamy biscuits. Yes. So, 4 pieces for everyone. Well counted. Accurate.
Salafina, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of all this?
What do you mean?
Who are you giving bisikiti, children bisikiti to eat?
Oh.
Is it John, my good friend, or Chidela, my sister, that you are giving children bisikiti to eat?
Brother, ask her, Sister Serafina, what's the meaning of this? You came here, collected for meat from us, and now you're sharing primary school biscuit to us.
You see, I know the reason why both of you have the guts to ask this imprudent query is because you have lived assiduously your youthful lives in dilapidation. You have assassinated so much resources. Food or things you should hypothetically consume many more times, more than one times, but you guzzle in one take. Why? See, listen up. I'm an economist, okay? And as an economist around here, that has to stop. Alright? You must erudite how to economize things around here. Am I clear?
Salafina, why are you disgracing me? Why are you disgracing me? The money is my own. The food is my own. The delinque, the chicken, everything is my own. Why are you disgracing me? Did I ask you to economics for me? I just organized a small party to welcome you home. All you do is to disgrace me. Is it fair? Omaka?
That is not disgrace.
Salafina Omaka. Hey. Hey!
So, why do you say I'm disgracing you? You need to expect more of this, okay?
I don't understand. More of what?
Of what you just saw.
Of what?
Do you have a problem with
More
it?
of what? More of bisikiti.
Do you have a problem with this?
Did you make money for me?
Do you have a problem with economizing and managing your resources? Do you?
Yes, I have a problem with it.
Oh, really?
Yes. Is there anyone amongst us here who is still a child? See, Sister Serafina, I am not going to take this. If you want to give us what you brought back from Zuka, do it and stop this nonsense.
Kinsley, what is happening here now? What's happening here?
Disgrace.
What of nonsense is this?
Disgrace.
I do not blame you. You do not know what proceeds to make coinage, okay? The translation and donkey work that follows it. How would you know it? You don't know, you don't understand it. That is why you're clattering gibberish. Do you want to walk away like Chidera? Is that what you want to do? Because it's fine since everybody's rude around here.
Hey!
I knew you want to walk away like her.
Salafina.
No, you can go on.
You have finished me.
Walk out if you want to.
Salafina, you have disgraced me. You have totally disgraced me. Thank you for the disgrace.
I'm trying to help you.
Help me how?
Because
Are they children?
Is it made only for children?
Yes.
No, it's not.
Bisikiti are made for children and indagadi.
It's made for economy. You can't be squandering this.
Oh,
Do you know
yes,
how much a
you
kilo of chicken is? This biscuit is economizing.
What I am only doing is to welcome you from university as a graduate, and this is what I get. Disgrace.
Who are you and what do you want?
Good evening, ma'am. I want to see my Oga.
Who is your Oga? Honey, are you sleeping around while I'm at school, acquiring knowledge for the benefit of our family?
I'm a sales girl, oh. Ha, cheating ke? No. Oga, here is the money you asked me to bring, sir.
How much?
450,000 naira, sir.
I hope it's complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hey, come here. Come here. Now listen to me. Because I fathom that you are very ignorant and you need to be schooled. Do you know what they call internet banking? You know, good. Next time you want to send such volume amount of money, you do it via the internet transfer or you do a POS machine through vendors. I will not have you come here again. Have I made myself clear?
Salafina, listen to me. Listen, I am the one that asked her to bring the money cash. I didn't want her to do it transfer or POS. Oh, hello, Zumeli, you can go now. You can go. Jealous, man. Come on, let us go inside.
Why are you looking at me like that? Honey, I am your wife. The same lady you sponsored to study economics in the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, with your hard-earned money. Because of this magnanimity, I am committed to properly administering your deep pockets. Honey, the scripture says, a man would leave his family to cleave with his wife, and they become one. Both of us are one. We must have a mutual understanding on how we want to run our family. We must have a tete-a-tete.
Yeah. Which one is a tete-a-tete? Huh? Wait. Did you call me here to sit with you here for you to be laughing at me? Okay?
Laugh at you? I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing at you, okay? I'm just laughing at you. How you look magnificent in your pocketed bro state and your splendor, tranquil stance. Honey, I'm not laughing at you. I'm only complimenting you. Your handsomeness, cute, you have steez, composure.
Oh, thank you. I don't hear you.
Honey, try to be bantam quixotic, okay? Look, I am your significant other, not your bill. We're one soul. We're one. So let's have a heart-to-heart conversation on how we can have a mutual understanding to run the affairs of our family, you and I together. Where is my sister-in-law, Chidera?
She went out.
Honey, believe me, this strategy works, okay? If you want to be successful, you need to save. You and your sister lavish money too much in this house, and you waste food a lot in this house. We were taught that for you to be able to be successful, you have to learn how to save. If we apply this strategy, it is going to work out, and we're going to make a lot of money, and then we're going to be able to leave this shithole of a country. We can't have children here. We need to make sure our children don't experience the terrible things happening in this country. Okay?
Salafina, my wife, I have heard all the sopre and all the things you have said. But do you know what I want to tell you? All these things that you talk, it will not work. And it can never work. Not in this my home. Oh, not in this my family. I cannot suffer to make money, and I will also suffer to chop the money. It is not possible. I didn't beg you. I cannot starve myself and my sister just because I want to save money. Did I beg you to save money for me? In fact, who am I saving that money for? Life is make money and chop money. I have made the money. So all I want to make you do is for you to be chopping the money. Don't save it for anybody. Okay, for instance example, if me and you now say we buy, we know come dey alive again, say we die. Who go chop the money?
You're saying this because you're not exposed to the university life. The life over there and this life are two different things. The way you and your sister lavish money in this house, waste food in this house, it is unacceptable. Okay? Look, we were taught in school that for you to be able to be successful in life, you must learn how to save. Oh yes. Even the richest man in Babylon advises it.
That one is Babylon, not in Umuikebanye. Are they possible? Listen to me. All these things you have told me, I will say it again to your ears. It will never happen, even if it's going to happen, not in my house, not when I'm alive. I'm not even going to die soon. You know? So if I were you this thing. Strategize and be ready to do as I say. Be ready to do it in my way. Forget it. It will never happen. Thank you.
If one hears your dominative finality, they would assume I'm the one lavishing all your money. But it's not. I'm an economist, okay? I have to practice it in my home. Charity begins at home.
Serafina. So it was actually you I saw yesterday and you snubbed me the way you did.
Why won't I disparage you? You saw me ding-donging in my strong box, and what did you do? You bellowed my appellation as if I am your charm. Hey, listen up, girl. I am not your mate. I am your senior, both in age and academic prerequisite. Okay? If you know the things I've achieved in the field of academics, you will address me with respect and humility, not shouting my name like a crazy woman.
Wait. Let me understand you. Like, is it a small question I ask you now that you're pouring your whole years in the university on my head?
Why won't I? You think it's easy to graduate as an economics in the University of Nigeria and Nsukka to serve my country as well as work with the government? I guess you don't. Tell me one person, just one person who has achieved the feat I have achieved. If you think there's any man who has achieved this feat in Umuike, show me. Show me anyone who has achieved it, and I'll pour that man a drink. I'll even buy him a bottle.
Madam, sorry. I've heard you. Oh yeah, go and bring what you came back with now. I know your bag is still full. I know now, go now. I know you now, Serafina.
I didn't bring anything. I didn't bring nothing.
Serafina.
I said I didn't bring nothing.
I don't understand.
When you finish, you go. I did not bring anything. Oh, my dear visitor, I brought cola. Ooh, it's good to have you. Please make yourself comfortable.
I know your bags are full. I know they are still very full.
Yes. You're going to know that your girl is back. Wow, you have to enjoy yourself. You're in Serafina's house. Wow, it's good to have you. Good to have you. Woo. Some juice to quench your taste. There we go. You know, you don't need sugar. Sugar is not good for you. You know, number of calories. It's not. Yes. So Make yourself comfortable. Oh.
Bia, Serafina, what's the meaning of this? Is it me you pour this drink and biscuit for? I don't understand. Even small children will definitely reject this. What's the meaning of this?
What is it? What's wrong with it?
What is this you're giving me?
Do I culpability you? I don't understand. If not that you folks of this hamlet are positivity oriented, would you say this to me?
Madam, leave grandma. Leave grandma. Pour drink for me. I don't understand. I get rig in a canopy.
Anyway, this is the extent of my generosity, noble comrade. If you do not value it, I will take it back inside.
Take it back. Take it back. If you want to pour drink for me, give me drink and stop mocking me. I don't understand. What is this? Why are you insulting me? I'm too big for this insult, please.
Insult? Wow. I love your straightforwardness, you know? My dear comrade.
Serafina. Hey. Serafina.
Are you lighting? Huh? Are you not going to come up and sleep? You are here lighting. You want to sleep in the parlor?
Only poor people sleep. Whoever craves for success must stay awake and stratagem while others slumber.
The truth is that I don't even hear all this. You're so play. What I understand is for me and you to go up and do what a man and woman do. That's all.
Oh, Kinsley. Your pant is wet, yet your pocket is dry. Kinsley, do you think if we don't dump our pockets as fast as we can, that we can subside this current economic recession, hammering the country in and out, day after day? Do you?
Hey. First of all, I don't wear panty. What I wear is the boxers.
Oh.
The other one is that my pocket is supposed to be the lie because I did not put my neck inside the water.
That's not what I'm talking about.
You have to listen to what Mua is saying.
Oh, gee.
All I want is for us to go up and do what woman and man do. Leave all this something that you're saying. You cannot be lighting here in the night and in the day. In the day, you will be lighting this. Night, me and you up, doing what man and woman are doing. Let us go up.
Sorry, I'm busy.
More sorry, you're busy. More sorry, you're busy. Please, leave this thing that you're writing. Let us go up and do what man and woman are doing. As you can see.
You're crossing your boundaries, okay? This is my business. You're getting in the way.
Which way?
baby. Oh, what is it, honey? Why this gorgeous Diono? Why is his face sore? Did you do anything to him? Honey, did you have a horrendous reverie proceeding nocturnal? Come on, baby, segment it with me. Segment it.
Bam, 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 bam. Salafina. When you go Nzoka, go lead the you see me there?
Obviously not, baby. You weren't there. What's wrong with that?
If you want to talk to me, they speak grammar to me. They break the grammar. Be breaking it so that I will be understanding you. You see all this glamour where you talk. The only thing why I hear na Kedafia, good morning.
Oh, so you heard good morning. You heard it, but you decided not to say anything. You sat there moping at me like I was just blabbing. Come on, darling. They say respect is reciprocal. Okay? Well, I was just asking because I care. I mean, look at you. You're looking so sad. I wanted to know if you had a bad dream. That was what all that grammar was about.
It went bad dream. Alom lojo. So they be no nonsense saying aso. I don't like it. So they be move for the na go na agbari.
Mind your language.
Mind your language, please.
Oh my God, what is wrong with you? Why are you having this mood swing this morning?
I don't mind swinging it.
Whatever, okay? You know, an ideal man is a devil's workshop. And I don't want to be all of that to you and your lovely family. I want to go out and look for a job and get busy. You know? Is that okay?
Bye. No?
Are we good?
Bye.
Are you good?
Bye.
Are you sure?
Say goodbye.
All right. Come on now. Baby. No. Come on, lovely. Let's have it. That's it. I know you're local, but try and just meet up, okay?
I no blame you. Now me blame myself for looking for educated, beautiful girl. I blame myself.
Hold on. How much is a liter of fuel? About 900, about 1,000. How much is it going to cost me for me to go from point A to point B? I think I'd rather go for a tricycle. I mean, it's going to cut cost, isn't it? Because when I push 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 liter of fuel, I think the best thing is to just take a walk and get a tricycle and save me some money. You know, the economy ain't smiling. I know what to do. Tricycle will solve it.
45 million plus 80 million equals to... Bano. John did not calculate this thing very well. Did not calculate. Let me use my hand and calculate it. 45 million plus 80 million. Bam! Ejimia? Yeah. Bam! Ejimia?
Brother,
Chidela.
Brother, can you believe what your wife did?
What is it?
Your wife emptied the pot of soup. And not just that, she even hid and locked all the foodstuffs in the...
Hey, Salafina. Why would Salafina do this kind of a thing? Does she? Okay, she does not want us to chop anything until she come back from where she go to.
That is what it means too. But brother, why is she doing this to us?
Salafina. Edela, no worry. Don't worry. After this my calculation, if I go up, I will bring you money and give to you so that you go and buy what you will go chop. Oh? Blighting your face, nah. I go with Chikubena. Blighting your face.
But I'm not happy.
Blighting your face. I am Kako. That OCC. Yes, that wood that you supplied to me is not complete. You don't know the gongoro load of wood where that you supply to me. Yes. It's not complete. It's remaining 25 pieces. Tomorrow. I'll put it tomorrow. I got to you. Where do you buy that food? You cook it in your house. I want to take this money. This money, go and buy me a good food. The one that smells like that one. Make sure it smells like that one.
Alright.
Hurry up.
Yes, sir.
Let me call the phone this way. Hello, Coco. Come back and claim my 5 million. What are you paying? This food smells like that one that we get
Yes, sir. This my house was close by. I quickly rushed to dish it for you. Then I bought meat.
I'm not even money to go and buy me good food. But they make this smell like that one that we get Why go to home? Stressing yourself. This is nice.
Alright, let me leave it to enjoy it.
So Sarafina came back since the past 2 days. And you did not see me twice to let me know. Or did Mama,
forgive me. I know that I supposed to come and tell you, or even send Chidela, my sister, to inform you. Wow.
Hey, that is what you should have done, instead of me to hear it from other people. So where is she now, Nebole?
She has gone out, Mama. See, this is not the main reason that I did not want to tell you. The reason that I did not even want to tell you that Salafina is back is that I am still learning her. I am yet to understand my wife, Salafina.
Yeah. Okay, go and call you're still learning Sarafina.
Hey! Mama, Salafina, you know that time is not the same Salafina that I'm staying with now.
Yeah.
If you know what has happened for the past 2 days, you will shout.
What happened? I am not a professor yet, even though I'm more cerebral than 90% of them. Oh yes? But I'm not a professor, okay?
You mean it?
Oh yes.
Okay. If you're not a professor yet, why do you speak like them?
Like I said earlier, I am more cerebral than them. I know your problem is you don't understand the grammar that I just spoke. Cerebral means intelligence. I am more intelligent than most of them. That's what I mean. Is that okay now?
Oh.
Now that is not even the issue. Where are you movementing to?
Nowhere in particular. What of you?
You're just parabolating. I see. Oh, well, you know I'm not as linguarious as you are. I am going about being useful with myself, trying to seek or search for, an epoch in between something I can do around this metropolitan, like engage myself in something, get busy and industrious.
Adema, disike with your grammar and stinginess. But just remember you're owing me a drink. Just remember.
Was that supposed to be a stray bullet targeted at my personality? Hey, look, I am not stingy, okay? I'm a conservative. Conservative. I know you don't know the meaning. I'm a conservative, okay? I save money, am an economist. I protect wealth. I grow money. Oh my God. You're just a local girl, right? Go get some education, babe.
Hey! Ezioku?
That is it.
You mean all these things happened as she came back?
That is it.
Does she want to starve you and your sister to death?
Mama, she's not even only doing it to I and my sister Chidela. She's also doing it to herself.
It is not my business. If she likes, she can starve herself till thy kingdom come. But she shouldn't starve you and my daughter. Bano. Is there soup in this house?
Mama, there is soup. There is even rice. And beans. Food is not the problem. The problem is that Salafina, my wife, does not want us to eat to our satisfaction.
And I know that money is not the problem. Because money cannot be the problem. Why don't you send your sister to go to the market and buy things so that she will cook and both of you eat for your satisfaction?
Mama, you have a point. You really have a point. Chidila!
Yeah.
Chidila!
What's in there? So both of you are here quazzling and embezzling the money hot Escalating that I reserve for future expenditure? Where did you get it from?
And you forgot that I can as well buy a trailer load of it. I bought this outside the compound.
You're still lying? Kinsley, you are lying. When you've been trapped in flagrante delicto, what an undashed deed coming from a man who is supposed to be a consort.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Never now so Igbo. Always speaking big grammar while you're starving your husband and my daughter. But let me tell you, that one will not happen. Not while I'm still alive. My son sent you to school to go and study at Soka.
Thank you, Mama, for acquiescing the datum that Kinsley here, my husband, remunerated the full dowry of me. That makes us one.
Sister Ogini.
Shut up your mouth. I don't want to hear you say anything. Look, both of you, I hope it is not the gari that I kept that you're eating and languishing like people who are coming out from a 40 days fast, because you will not eat in this house for 100 days.
Shut up. Shut up! What is wrong with, in fact, who you be? Who you be? Who you think say you be? Hey, cut away. Cut away, cut. Will you cut out? Cut out!
Yeah?
In my own house.
Kinsley, are you sure that this your wife has not gone mad? Did you send her to Nsukka to go and get mad?
I am calculating it if she's mad or not.
Serafina, my daughter, I want both of us to have a heart-to-heart talk. Number one, nobody is saying that Kinsley is not your husband. My son is your husband. And by the grace of God, he will be your lifetime partner. But what I am saying is that you should not be starving him to death now. Or do you want your husband to start going outside to eat? Because if my son starts going outside to eat, it will work against you. It will be to your own detriment. So you better know what you're doing.
Mama, what do you mean by starving him? Are you trying to say I'm killing my husband?
Of course, that is what you're doing.
Is that what Kinsley said to you, Mama?
Yes. If you're not trying to kill my son, who is your husband, by starving him since you came back from that UN in Nsukka. Yeah, and his sister, my daughter. You find it, or them?
Ignorance is a nauseous disease. Mama, do you mean that in trying to marmalade my husband's resources, you've docketed me an executioner? Disremembering that this country has slid into its first pecuniary, also known as economic recession? Mama, I am an economist by profession. Must I fail in managing my own home? My husband's resources? No. Then I will become a fiasco to mute aristocratic.
My daughter, if I tell you that I understand a word of all this your baby grammar, I'll be lying to myself. But that one is by the way. All I am telling you now is that you should learn to treat your husband right. Because if you do, it will be to your own good. You know go one. You know go. Stop pushing him.
Mama, disregard my grammatic expression, okay? What I want you to know is that when my planning is mellowed, your son will come out in the most sophisticated way. Okay? Just chill out and watch. There you go, Mama. There you go, honey. This is yours. There you go, Chidera. That's for you. Yes, okay. Okay, let's. So this one, we're going to have it tomorrow for Petite Matinora. That is the French name for breakfast. So keep it. There we go. So. No, it doesn't have to be too creamy because we have to economize. There we go. Breakfast is ready. Enjoy. I'll be right back.
Hey! Chineke.
Mama, this is how she always feeds us since she came back. This is it.
I have seen it with my 2 eyes. Ezioku! This is what both of you have been passing through in this house. What do we call this?
The worst part is if you talk now, she'll start speaking all those are big grammars only her understands.
My daughter, this is really terrible. Eh? What do we call this? Is it madness or what? Mama, you know what is Wenola? Afumna. And that's on a child. On a puzzle. Hey!
Your son will not be alive. Make a hunger, killing you and Chidela, my sister. It is not possible. I have already made the money. I don't know the other money she wants to make again. She's just doing this thing to save money. Which money does she wants to save? For who? Did I beg her to save any money for me? Mama, calm down. Chidela, you know my pin.
You are late. You kept me waiting for so long. What happened?
Sorry. I blanched somewhere to pump my tire. Now waiting cause am.
Okay.
Thank you so much for waiting you do for me. Thank you, Thank you.
I'm not doing this for you. I'm doing it because of me. My name is in your wife's mouth and I really need to clear my name.
Now waiting they talk. You know, say you know get waiting I go tell my wife, say me and you know they do one or two things. May she believe me. She no go believe.
Maybe if she hears from me, she'll get me off her head. Because I've been accused of something I am not doing and I hate it.
It's alright.
And I cannot stoop so low to date a married man. Yes.
I understand. No problem. I don't hear you. She's upstairs. She's here. Here she is.
Good evening, ma'am.
Who are you?
My name is Rosemary, but friends call me Rose. Kinsley and I are...
You're the house sleeping with my husband.
I beg your pardon, madam. I am not sleeping with your husband. I am not a whore and I am not sleeping with your husband.
I should mind the way I conclude things when you go about town for licking with my husband. Is that what you're saying? Hey, listen. Let me see your hands. Oh, it's obvious. You're a single Pringle. Lonely, searching for a man. It's good you're looking for a man, okay? But don't do that here. Because this man is taken. He's mine. Are you listening to me? This is my territory and it's been marked. If you want to look for a man, better do that somewhere else. And not with my own husband.
Salafina, what are you doing? What are you doing?
What am I doing?
What? You are accusing both of us of doing something, and I decided to bring her so that she will explain to you that nothing is happening.
You have a free way, isn't it? No, you think I'm a fool? You think I went to school for what? I know what's happening.
I beg you in the name of God, madam, or anything you believe in. I am not sleeping with your husband. Kinsley is a good man. Treat him right and you will enjoy him the most.
Hey! Come here. Come back here. Come right back here. How dare you? Where do you think you're going? Now you listen and listen carefully. Stay away from my husband. Are you hearing me? Else, I'll make sure I make your life miserable. I'll give you fire. Okay?
Enough of that, Lex! Enough! Stop threatening my secretary. Stop! Salafin, I have condoned your nonsenses. I have condoned your stupidity in this house. What I will not condone is you disrespecting my name. Because my name is a big name.
Are you seriously shouting at me because of that girl? That cheap whore?
Salafina. Don't make me break the vow I made myself. Don't let me break the vow I made myself.
Break. Don't break.
I will not warn you again.
Why can't I get him out of my mind? Yes, he's handsome, gentle, and kind. But he's married to the most dangerous wife. I can't forget about him. But why? Why, Rosemary? Why can't you just forget about him? You can't have him, so just forget about him and move on with your life. Can this be true? There's a chance for me of getting what I want.
You think you're wise, stingy graduates. If this is how graduates behave, I better stay in my mama's house.
good. I feel good. I've been able to save up some good amount of money. I mean, if I had bought fuel, I'll buy at least 2-3 liters. Am I going to spend all that money? A liter of fuel is 9.25, so I'll spend that amount of money when I could just walk? No, I can't spend that money. I can't buy fuel 9.25 and just because I need to walk from that distance to another distance, I'll drive. I should walk. Walking is good. Walking keeps you fit. Walking is exercise. Let me catch my breath and continue my walk. Okay, I'll use my Legady's Benz and achieve it.
Rosemary, what happened? I have not seen you since that time that you go to my house. Did anything happen when you go to my house?
Nothing happened. I just took some days off to clear my head and re-examine myself. So, I'm sorry I didn't tell you about my off.
Hey, it is my fault. Everything that is happening is my fault. Not my fault.
No, she's right. I mean, your wife was right. I'm desperate and I want you to be my man. And it seems I can't have you to myself. So please, we should stop seeing each other until I get a good job.
You cannot do this to me now. Hey, Rosemary, you can't do this to me. Eh? I like you because you are hardworking and you are smart. Even business-wise, you cannot leave me. I cannot afford to lose you. I can't lose you. Bikono. Lolo. Lom. Rosemary. Los nwa. Los. Los go.
Who amongst you took the key I hid? And I'm sure whoever did it has gone to guzzle down the plate of fried rice that I reserved. Who did it?
Salafina, you are very, very funny. It is only you that hide the key. It is only you that hide the lights in the cupboard. And it is only you that is looking for the key and who chocolated the
That is the point. I hid the key so that both of you gluttons will not have access to it. But guess what? The key has generated wings and it flew away, evaporated and disappeared. Right where I kept it, I can't find it.
Salafina, listen to me. If you are talking to me, talk to me as the owner of the house that I am. I am the Oga of this house. I am not your boy. Yes. Eh? Salafina,
hey, you, stop talking. Stop talking, okay? You are my number one suspect. Tell me the truth. Start speaking. Tell me.
What do you want me to say? No, just go straight to the point and call me a thief. Yes, call me a thief in my big brother's house, brother. She's calling me a thief.
Okay, I must admit that I'm surprised and shocked at the same time. But I'll be mute. I'll keep quiet. I'll keep my calm, my cool. But I promise you both, I will never forget the day keys developed wings and rice disappeared from where I hid it.
I didn't do Missy Kate to send you to Usoka. We don't want Salafina. Salafina.
Very stingy wife of mine. Oh, she's calling me.
Be showing me what you
But I
are
see
showing
now.
me.
See, these people, they make money.
Here we go. Of 6 inches. So I'm going to demarcate it so that you're able to remember. Okay? Oh, I remember. Your brother eats like a gluten. So we have to 1 inch to complement his glutenic nature. I'm going to add 1 inch to it. Okay? Make sure you don't go past this. See? Remember? Don't forget. We're good to go now. There we go.
Well, brother asked me to tell you not to keep dinner for him because he might be coming home late and he'll be stopping at Mama's to eat.
What? He won't try it. He doesn't dare do it. It's not his right. So you better call him back and tell him I said he doesn't have the right. It is onions to this marriage, to myself, an honor that he eats my food every day. He doesn't have an option. So you call him and tell him I said he needs to return back home and eat this yam.
Well, I just passed the message brother asked me to give you.
You passed the message. And I said call him and tell him I said no. He needs to come back home and eat.
I think you should do that yourself.
What did you say? Excuse you?
Okay, so you go to the market, get a list of items. Make sure you buy everything just the way I wrote it. And this is the money. Please buy it exactly the way it is, all right? Any misunderstanding?
Sister, what's the meaning of this?
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
The prices you wrote down here is not going to be gotten anywhere in Nigeria today.
What do you think I am? Come on, girl. I'm an economist. Why do you think they call me the economist? Oh, I already did a proper calculation. I did mathematics. I did all the pluses, the minus, and the multiplications to make sure I get the exact price needed for every item on that list. I know the current market price compared to the economic equilibrium. Trust me.
Okay. Sis-in-law, please, since you know the price is stake, use your hand and go to the market because I'm not going to the market to embarrass myself.
Is that supposed to be an insult? Are you sending me on an errand? Give it to me. Give me. Thank you. Because I know that you usually trick me in the markets. You cheat me. You take my money. So I'll go myself. Okay? Yes. Thank you.
Please, sis-in-law, the bathing soap in the house is finished though. Mine as well. Please, why coming back from the market? Can you get it? You know my brand now.
Yes, Your Majesty. Match your service. I'll get it. Because I'm going to get ours as well. Oh my jeez! Are you washing clothes to my vegetables? Oh my God, what kind of a village local girl are you? Don't you know that these are vegetables? Do you want to pour chemicals on my garden? Oh my God, do you know the worth of these vegetables? Do you know how much it's cost in the market? Look at Do you know the botanical nomenclature of these vegetables? Do you want to... Move! 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 Move it!
Your clothes are here too.
Oh my gosh, she's so local. Please.
So small vegetable.
Hello, madam. It's Alim Steppers. How do you sell it?
This is 1K. 1K 500. This is 200.
Just
What
this
is-
for 1,000?
Yes.
No, it's too much. It's too much. She give me everything 1,000.
No, madam. Now they
What?
speak all this grammar, so no.
I don't understand. Only this for 1,000.
Yes, so.
No, 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 no.
How much do you want to pay?
1, 2, 3. 1,000.
No, madam, I'm not going to sell them. Sure?
What is wrong with you
No,
people?
no.
Huh? I don't have the money. I can't afford to buy. How much is this? When you plant it, you put a little seed in the soil, it comes up, and you have 4, and now you're selling 4 of it 1,000.
Madam, I can't
When you
sell
bought the seed 200.
No.
Do the math yourself, and you understand the calculation.
Madam, I beg, if you don't want to buy, you go, I beg. All this grammar wey they speak, I don't understand though.
Why you have attitude here?
Which attitude again?
Okay, so how will you sell it? Okay, sell 1, 2, 3 of them.
No, I can't sell it like that. If you want to buy, follow me back. If you don't want to buy, I beg, go. Do you need Gary?
How much is the basin?
This is 20K.
Is it not 5K?
No.
Ah, madam, come. I get tomatoes. Come. I get pepper. Which one you want? Which one you want? Okay, tomatoes.
How much is it?
Check this one fine. This one 5,000. This one is 4,500, and this one is 2,500. Which one you want?
What? What did you say? How much is
5,000.
this? Not all of it,
5,000.
one.
Yes, 5,000.
Solanum lupercium, 5,000. I mean, is the farm acreage part of the recession? I guess not. Why you people are various the microscopium that the Almighty God blessed us, humanity and mankind with? Why? You people just inflate the prices all over the markets. Everything is so high up. You're taking advantage of the situation of the recession. Okay, young lady, tell me the real price. Like the real price.
Madam, I don't tell you how much I dey say. I don't know why they speak big grammar. I don't understand though. I don't tell you the price. I beg.
Okay, I'll give you 200 now. Just package this.
For waiting.
I don't understand. This is just, for the Solanium lupercium.
Wetin be Sarcosu lacoboti?
It's tomatoes.
Madam, this one 5,000. This
What?
one 4,500.
That's
This
ridiculous.
one 2,500.
Stop saying that, girl. You're not going to sell 200?
I know, sir.
Okay, 500. Let me top it up a little.
Madam Waka.
I don't understand. I don't get it. What is? You're so rude. Does it mean that you don't understand that the economy is bad? The sources of income is not even available. Where are we going to get the money to afford 5,000 for this? 500 naira should be able to meet up with it. This is the natural microscope God gave us.
I don't want bank market.
Madam, you're being outrageous. You're being greedy.
I beg,
This
use
is
the other
greed.
side.
How can you say this is
Leave here.
5,000?
I'm not
I
selling.
don't understand what's wrong with this country. You people just inflate prices just how you want it.
Bank market. Go.
What is this?
Madam, I know they sell.
This is
Go.
unconstitutional.
Go. I know they sell. Go. Waka.
Come on, Solanium lupercium. That is what you're telling me to buy for 5,000? Oh, let me give you 1,000. That's all I have here, please.
I know, sir. Go.
Oh, you've got such attitude. I can't
Yeah, no problem.
Please, I need to go somewhere else. Where
Go,
else can I
go,
get
go, go.
tomatoes?
Come carry bad luck come my shop. Eh? I don't want somebody like you. Oh.
This country is corrupt. So ridiculously, outrageously fraudulent. Look at how high the cost of commodities are. Everything is so high up there. What is this? And you know, whenever the prices go high, the demand is low. Eh? How did we even get here? Look. My money is finished. All the money I went to market is finished. And someone argue with me that the country will get better. When? When is it going to get better? Until we have an economics in this country, we will suffer. We will continue to live in penury, hardship, poverty. What is this? Huh? What is this? How much did I go to the market? How much did I spend? Money is finished. I didn't even finish buying what I wanted to buy. And all of you are sitting in the house, pretending like nothing is happening while you're suffering. Better come out and protest. Nonsense. What is this? How can you all just pretend like everything is okay when everything is so expensive? You buy something today, tomorrow is another price. What is that? Can't continue like this. Come out.
You see, it's a state of emergency. The prices of commodities in the market has gone higher. I mean, it's what we call inflation in economics. Like we're sliding in recession, we're already in recession, okay? So that means that, you know, because you, my family, you eat like gluttons. That has to stop. Oh yes, we need to learn how to manage things around here.
Huh? By the way, why are you complaining? Are you the one bringing money in this house? Are you the one bringing money? Is it not you that said that you know all the prices in the market, that you will price till they sell well for you? Eh? Why are you now complaining? Listen, and listen very good. Let it be this the first and the last time you will order me on how to chop in my own house. Don't try it again. Don't try it again. Act like one year. Nonsense.
I still maintain my stance, okay? It's just that those market peddlers are thieves. They're filled with greed. So I'm going to be making this warning to every one of you. Hello, young lady, are you just walking out on me? Did you just see your sister walk out while I'm talking? Well, I need to make sure that you are understanding me, because you have to manage things in this house. You have to eat less, okay? And as for you, you really need to, you know, portion control. Eat less. Just eat in portions, because the stomach is too big for, I mean, you need to look sexy to meet up with marrying an economist. That stomach needs to come down. So you eat.
Salafina, we don't go. Respect who respect you. Salafina, respect who respect you.
It's respect, not less.
I don't want Salafina, did you see Chidila?
No. See anyone, such nomenclature.
Chidila! 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 What are you doing outside here? Have you taken your bath?
Hey, I'm sorry, brother. Let me hurry and take it.
Holly up. I say I'm sorry. Yeah? Salafina. Hello, come, stop that nonsense. What is the meaning of all this? Eh? Why do you have to cut the bathing soap I am using to bathe? Why? Eh?
Oh, I think this is even too big. I should have cut it small.
Come on, give me this thing.
I did it because you don't even know that when you're using it in full, it's more wasteful.
Hey.
Okay? Darling, there's an economic recession. Okay? So we need to learn to manage things, even this stored.
Salafino, who did this to you? Eh? Must you shortcut everything that we are using in this house? Now me be the person where they blinking money. I am the one blinking money, not to you. One day you will shortcut the air we breathe and the people we poo-poo.
She real, brother. Look at what she did to my bathing soap I asked her to help me buy. Let me ask you, sister. Are we kindergarten peoples to you?
You see, both of you, you're going to keep complaining and complaining and complaining till yesteryears. And I don't care. Okay? I'm just telling you that there's economic meltdown and goes up the price. Everything is going up. You have to readjust and adapt to the current economic recession and inflation. Okay? And I'm not ready to change, okay? I'm not changing for both of you. I'm not even moving.
God, is it long for me to send my wife to the university? God, I am asking you something. Is it long for me to send my wife to University of Nigeria, Nsukka, to read a call?
Is it wrong? Not wrong.
Hey, come on.
Look at your stingy one.
Hey! I have suffered.
Husband, don't come here and talk.
Respect who respect you. Salafina, respect who respect you.
Darling, where are you both going? Come. Why are you wearing this nice flashy dress? Honey, who bought this clothes for her?
I do.
You bought this?
Mm-hmm. She's my sikita.
Why don't you go for something cheaper? You should teach your sister how to economize. How to go for lesser things in life. I mean, she mustn't wear this expensive clothes. She can't go for the fairly used ones. Yes, the ones that they sell at the market.
I'm not getting time.
I'm talking, where are you both going? Hold on. Honey, hold on. Where are you? Where are both of you going? Hold it. Where are you going? Where are you going? Both of you. Honey, don't tell me you want to drive this car to see Mama. You want to drive a whole car. Huh? No, honey, no. Do you know the current price of combustible propellant? 1,003, no reduction. Oh my God, both of you could just jump in a tricycle and pay 300 along. I mean,
Salafina.
Very affordable.
Salafina, what are you talking about?
What I'm saying in simple, and summary, simple terms is that the both of you should take a public transport. Because you have to be, you have to be economical, honey. You are becoming too extravagant. You're spending too much money. You're spending lavishly. And it's not going to help you. I know why I'm warning you.
Salafina, I can see that your stupidity has started going into your brain. Oh yes. For you to think that because of your akagom, your stinginess, I cannot use my car.
But you can save it and go and take it to public transport.
You're stupid.
Are you insulting my intellectual abilities and capability? Because I'm trying to help you. Hey, don't on the AC.
Make sure you don't on that AC. I know you're the one that wants to on it. Just wind up on the fan. The fan is better. It doesn't consume much.
Hello, bịa Chukwuemeka. Chukwuemeka. Ngwa ahịa dị na warehouse one ka ọ dị. Ikubeghị ọnụ. Nwa na-apụala. Go and count all the ngwa ahịa dị na warehouse ọsịsọ. Ọ na-emegheri ka ihe bụzọ ọrụ. Anụmanụ.
I just found out where Auntie used to hide things. So.
Are you serious?
Yes, so I saw her hiding some things there now, and I believe that's where she used to hide things.
Hey. You mean I'll be buying things in this house instead of Salafina to be blinking it out for everybody to be eating? She'll be hiding it. Maka, why? Go there and blink everything out before she comes.
Brother, what if she found out that things are missing then now?
She don't sabi say you don't know where in the backup. Yeah. If you come, you go deny him now. So you know, tell her say you don't know what's in the talk. Go and blink it out before she come.
And those things are spoiled.
That is the reason they say get part for there. Nke na adoro mma, etufu nke dị mma. You know ndị mmadụ. Iri. Nyekwa ndị mmadụ ka ha rie. Hurry up! Huh? Hey! Embarrassing what?
That's it, nah. Even Gary, biscuits, milk.
Magali?
Uncle see
Even Gesha and milk. Wait, let me know if this biscuit is
it has expired, Uncle.
It does expire. Throw one. Check this milk and this tomato and Gesha. Anyone we don't expire. Throw one. The one where they good carry and give people.
No, now, Uncle, let's keep this point one for her. Yes.
Like even this Gesha don't they smell. This tie don't they smell. No carry anything when no good inside my house. I beg. Carry the lice. Carry and go inside. Lice not the spoil quick.
Brother, now, I think it's better we keep these spoiled ones for her.
Inside my own house. My mom is feeling good. Rice every room. Rice I make one. Carry the rice inside. The rice doesn't spoil also.
Action!
Close. Come. I said come. Yeah. Rosemary, you have been telling her to me for some time now. Eh? Are you trying to avoid me? Because you have been scarce and too busy at work. What is happening?
Ask as if you don't know why. Kinsley, I fell in love with you from the very first day I set my eyes on you. Little did I know you were married. And now, I can't get you off my head.
Baby. You are beautiful and smart. You need a man that is better than me.
I know that's what you will say to me. Because you cannot actually bring yourself to cheat on your wife. Even when she have already accused you of doing it.
I know, I cannot cheat on my wife. I can't do that. Even I know my wife, Salafina, is so tolerable. She is still my wife. I cannot cheat on her. But what if I introduce you to some of my friends that are still single?
I don't want them! Hey. Sorry.
You just shout, oh. You are in the marketplace and you are shouting. This is a marketplace. You don't need to shout. Hey. It's all right. Salafina, when will you stop doing this echo of a thing that you're doing in this house? Do you know that you are gradually pushing me and also pushing my sister into the hands of men? Because if you did not feed my sister well to her satisfaction, she might decide to look elsewhere. And it's only Umuwoke that she will follow that can feed her very well. When will you stop it?
Are you saying that you want to start living a licentious life? Is that what all this is about?
I did not.
A life of promiscuity?
I did not call promise. I did not call promise in this matter.
Licentious.
Licentious or license?
A life of promiscuity.
I don't know what you're speaking. What I am saying is that you should stop feeding us like you. You should stop feeding us like slaves because we are not slaves. The money belongs to me. You understand? If you cannot cook very well, or if you don't have strength to cook big food, better food, and feed us to our satisfaction, you tell us. Tell I and my sister so that we can find alternative way of choppings. Because there are so many alternative ways of choppings.
I see you're prepared to insult me this evening. What are you trying to say? Are you suggesting that I'm not capable to play my role as a housewife? Is that what you're trying to say? I feel insulted. You are insulting me. And you need to stop now. Please.
It is you that should stop right now. Stop economizing. Stop doing eco for my own money.
It's for your good.
For which good? Did I beg you? Eco not. Stop it. Echo not. Feed us very well and stop doing echo. Nonsense. Dela. Wetin you talk say you won't be for this life? Wetin you want to do?
Brother, I want to be a dancer.
Dancer?
Yes, now. You know I can dance very well. I can shake my body.
I know you can dance very well. You can move your body very well. But I want you to be dancing in the house. I don't want you to be dancing public dance. You know one become medical doctor. All these people where they born madam doctor. No.
Dancing is my call.
Dancing is your call. Oh.
Dancing now.
Medical doctor. They go to body. Money they medical.
Who amongst you took the wafer and the drink I kept on the lock? Who is it?
Mom.
Who took it?
Speak up. Who is it? Oh, you're not talking anymore? I mean, you have gone suddenly deaf and dumb? Really? You better confess. Admit your delinquency in crime. If not, I will show you why I am called the economist. Did you hear me? So what's it going to be? Are you going to confess? Because if you do not tell me who stole my drink and my wafer in this house, I will make sure that the equivalent time which the item was stolen is going to last. Until then, No food in this house.
As who? Who you think say me for this house?
Did you steal the item though? Was it you who stole it?
You say? So you dey call me a thief for my own house? Money na my own money. The thing wey you dey talk say the thief, na me buy all of them. Wetin dey do you? No be me use my money train you for Nsukka make you become Eko? Eh? I say make you become Eko, make your hand dey chichichichichi.
You know this is what they call boundary.
I say shut up, I am talking. Make you come your buka buka. Eh? I go dey buy things for this house, make people dey chop. Instead of you to blink am out, make everybody chop, you go dey hide am. Who said you make you hide?
You know this word called permission. When I keep
I say shut up! Mama Buganya, you boyala. If to say I don't send you to Nsukka, me go in the car, you go to speak all the supri where they supri. Will you be supri? Dilla.
Sir?
Go to that dustbin where you pack all those things where in the talk. Bring all of them. Even the ones wey spoil and the ones wey don expire. Bring all of them. Now waiting she go to chop so they reach that time where it's supposed to finish. I said just shut up, Mama Apoganya. Ibonyala. Go immediately go to the dustbin and bring all those things. On that point. Macha ya genu now. Macha point ya genu now. Macha point ya genu. No second.
Make sure you wash it.
Hey! What did they do you?
Oh my God, did you just say
I said who they give you that wings? So they give you create your Who they give you wings when you want to use fly? If I hear your voice, no pem mo aponganya. No man.
You want to beat me?
I said, bitch come. Bitch come.
You can't try this in the United States, okay? You'll be locked up for life.
Sorry, Phil, good morning. It's Kinsley.
Johnny. Johnny Manum. Hey.
How are you now?
I do. How are you?
I'm fine, though. All thanks to my wife.
Wonderful.
I've never seen as in, yeah, you always take care of me.
I understand what you want to. She seems to know how to take care of you. Yeah, you are very, very lucky. You are very, very lucky. Unlike me, that I am married to someone that claims to be educated, whereas their hand they teach stingy people. They cannot even give somebody food to eat. Hey, come, let us go and sit down. Hey. John, this one you're carrying flags, it seems you brought food for me.
My wife made food for me, so I just decided to bring some for you. You were complaining it's been a long time, you have a good meal. Yes. So I just brought this one for you.
Hey, you do well, you do well. Let me go inside and bring Kochara.
Which one is Kochara again?
Kochara means spoon in Spanish language. My wife taught to me.
How dare you? Huh? How dare you come to my house, bring food for my husband, and you want to go and bring Kochara? You want to bring Kochara, right? Long throats. Wait for me, both of you. You're bringing food to my husband. What is wrong with you? Bringing food to my husband? You're my husband.
Salafina, are you married madness? Salafina, are you married madness? Salafina, are you married madness? Salafina!
Listen, your wife for me.
Salafina, are you classic? Johnny, want them.
Your wife for me.
Johnny, want them. Johnny, don't live like that. Johnny, want them.
Yes, please, after I pour me water.
Solid. Solid. Hey, please, solid, forgive, man. Hey. Johnny. Salafina! Salafina! You see today? Salafina! Now you're crazy. We will crazy together. Salafina, come out. Move. Good afternoon, Salafina.
I will speak in the language that you will understand. And you listen to me very carefully. I know you don't want him to progress more than you. I know your plans. You can't deceive me. But it will fail. All your plans will fail. I promise you.
What nonsense are you talking about? Instead of you to look for a way to take care of your husband, you are here looking for who to put the blame on.
I will not allow you come to my home and ruin things for me. John, I will not. You will not tell me how to run my family. Mind your business. I know your game. You need compost. Expired rats. Expired ingredients.
You don't know your left and right.
I will show you. You will see. I will show you. I don't want to see you in my house again.
Move.
Expired things. I feel. Need compost.
I shouldn't have done it.
Kinsley.
But this is long. It is not light. It is not. Leave me. Stop romancing me. Stop romancing me. Hey, please, don't do this again. Please, don't make me do this.
Don't worry, baby.
Wait, stop, please.
Kinsley.
I don't want to do this thing again. It is long. It is very, very long. Very long. I think I'm hungry. Did you cook anything?
Yes, I made something nice.
But promise me, if we go inside, no romance.
You'll be fine, let's go.
Promise me there will be no romance. So
You'll be fine.
stop romancing.
You'll be fine, okay?
Don't touch me again. Don't touch me again. Touch me not. What is it?
Do you know what you're saying? Why would you vomit something like that? Do you even know what you're saying? I shouldn't touch you, my husband. Are you deliberately depriving me of my conjugal rights? Is that what this is?
You see your life? You see your life? Every night you'll be demanding congee from me. In the night. Then in the daytime you will not perform your duty as a good woman. Is it not you that study eco? Economize your congee. Manage your congee.
It's not congee, it's conjugal, I said.
Whether conjugal you said or congee, they are the same thing. Conjugal and congee, they are the same thing. So manage your congee.
I don't know where you want me to go.
Hey! What are you trying to do? Stop it. Don't do it. Manage congee. Ass. Go. Listen, if you touch me again or try to kiss me again, in fact, you will neglect to know you me. What is it? Sleep on your own, like rest on your own. Let me rest on my own. What is it? If you touch me again, you will neglect to know you me. Don't touch me again. I will get out from here. Get out from here. Leave me. Mama, it's over 1 year that Salafina came back from the university. And ever since then, her character is not something to lie to home about.
My son, to tell you the truth, I feel so sorry. I feel so sorry for everything that is happening to you. And I know that you'll be blaming me.
No, not at all. I am not blaming you. And I can't even blame you. It's just that I am tired of Salafina and her unending stinginess. Salafina is so stingy to herself and to everyone around her.
Because what do you plan to do now?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I might get another wife. Oh.
You marry another wife. Anything that you plan to do or anything that you want to do, Muabunegi, your mother, I'm in support of it. You know, go carry go. Yes. Anything that will make you happy, because you cannot continue like this now. Eh? You sent her to school to go and study economics. Then she will bring the economics to your household and be practicing it on everybody. You can one carry go. Anything that will make you happy. I'm in support of it. How long are you going to continue like this now?
I've suffered. I've really suffered, Mama. I've suffered.
Taking me to your house.
My house? What about your wife? You know what will happen if she finds out you're in my place.
Nobody's. Is this not this? I want it, and you also want it. Rosemary, I am very happy that you are with me. I am going to spend the whole of today with you. Thank God today is a Sunday. I will be here to look out with you so that when I get home by 11 p.m. or 12 midnight, I will just sleep. Oh?
I hope this one will not end now. Like, hope we're going to do this more often.
No. My life is shattered. And I know that I believe that you will be the one that will pack my life with the pack and gather it together.
You know I love you, and I'll do anything to make you happy for the rest of your life.
Time will tell. Time will tell. Oh? But I believe you. I believe you.
Kinsley, I know what you're thinking about. You just cheated on your wife with me. It takes only a good man to feel this way. Yes, you are married, and I love you. But if you decide to work on your family, and you want your reunion to work, then I will respect that. But if you want to move on, I promise to build a safe haven for you.
Rosemary, you are a good woman and you are beautiful. How I wish Salafina, my wife, is half a human like you. How I wish.
No one has it all. This is one bad irony of life. But I'm glad I feel you inside of me.
Why you sound so bellicose? Why? Is it a crime to ask my own husband to make love to me?
Salafina, what is it? What is it? Allow me to sleep. What is it? Yeah? Every time you will be disturbing me. You will not allow me to sleep, have my sleep and have my rest. I want to sleep. Simple.
You cannot sleep. When last did you make love to me? You can't even remember, you see? Because you know it's been a long time. How can you leave your woman starving of your conjugal responsibilities? Come, honey.
If you like, you speak it up and speak it down. I don't even understand what you're speaking. Come on, leave me alone. Listen, you are a crown. Yes, you are very, very funny. For your mind, you think that the whole world revolves around you because you are a graduate of Eko. Yeah? Let me tell you, don't touch me again. If you touch me again, I will pursue you from this room and you will go to Paro and stay.
That's not true. I will touch you. You're my property. You're mine.
Oh!
What is wrong?
Read for me! Can't you only know get change? Salafina. Salafina. Respect who respect you. Respect who respect you. Allow me to sleep and rest. Let me sleep and rest.
I can allow you to rest. I can allow you to rest.
Come on. Push up. Oh.
Welcome back. We need to talk. But before we talk, I have something special for you, okay? I made your favorite meal. I'd like you to come have it.
You made my favorite meal so that you will start calling me names and insulting me. Eh? Listen, Sarafina. I have passed that level. I know that level again. Eh? I have moved on. I don't work.
Honey.
Hey!
So, Rosemary, you mean that that scene that I saw in that resort is that you are pregnant?
Yes.
Hey! That means you are carrying my baby now.
Mm-hmm.
My baby will be doing inside your belly?
Yes.
Oh, may God bless you. May God bless you. Thank you very, very much for making me a man, a complete man.
No, you made me a complete woman.
Chai. Oh, mama baby. Mama baby. Mama baby. Oh, baby, oh.
That's not my husband's car. That's not Kinsley's car. think you're doing? Embarrassing me, gallivanting with this whore? Lavishing the limited resources we have? You should invest in your family. You're investing in this prostitute.
So you're angry now. So you're very, very angry now. Eh? I thought as someone that lead Eco in school, you're supposed to know how to manage everything, including how to manage a man. Will you go leave her alone? Come on, happy I so. Leave her alone. Boyala, don't touch her again.
What are you saying?
Eh?
You're cheating on me.
Did you manage me well? You manage him off, man.
Do this to me.
Sweetheart, come here. Get out from here, go now. Go now, go. So, go. Oh, cause he never pursue. Ask him, cha, say my pursue, cut away. So to come. Go away, go.
Embarrassing me.
I said go, embarrass him, go.
My wife, you're welcome.
What?
Come to your husband's house.
You have the effrontery to walk into my abode? What impertinent! Mama, you came with them knowing that this is adultery?
You're very stupid. You're such a fool. Manebu Anofia, you're talking to me. Madam Economist. Madam Know It All. It has happened now. Eh? For your information, you had better go and tell your kinsmen that you are coming back to collect our bride price. Yes, the bride price that we paid on your head. You heard me. And for your information, our new wife, she's even pregnant. She's what? She's pregnant. What do you mean?
Preg what?
You heard me
Mama,
well.
can you say this?
She is pregnant. I'm not having water in my mouth. She's pregnant. Let me
Don't take my husband from me. I love my husband. You're right.
What's wrong? Let's go to outside. Go pack your things.
You want him to stay with you, so you can kill him of starvation. Brother, you deserve a better and happy life. Please bring her in. Chase this wicked evil woman away from here. Please go. You must go. Brother, send her out.
Bring her things and throw her out.
Brother, throw that evil woman out of this house. Wicked woman. You want to kill us of starvation in this house.
You think we are joking? Our wife.
Brother, throw her out.
Well, bring down her things out of my son's house. Now, Puala. Nonsense.
Wicked woman.
Throw her out.
Wicked woman.
Hey, get out of my house! Shut up!
Evil woman.
Nonsense. I think you are joking here. Now, Puala.
Useless.
Brother, please, you deserve happiness.
Nonsense.
Our wife. Hey.